the City of Santa Monica's first seed library. It's fun, fresh, and free.
So a seed library is a way for a community to really share and provide resources for plants that grow well in the area. You know, the idea really is behind to have an heirloom-based seed library program so that you're using seeds that haven't been altered by our large seed companies, so non-GMOs, something that grows nice in the area. But it provides a resource for the community in the fact that it allows them to get seeds that seasonally grow well in the climate that they're already in. And if they've been harvested from plants that have been grown in the area, then they know that they've kind of been established as a plant that is hardy and consistent with the environment that you currently live in. So the importance of gardening, one is it's a way to feed yourself. I've been growing my own food for decades, and it helps me identify what's going into my mouth and my children's mouth.
Meeting with the people, my neighbors in the garden. I love it. I've made so many friends here, and we call this a community garden. It's really a community family garden. People get to know each other's families, and it's just a wonderful place.
It's good for the soul, good for the mind, and good exercise.
So it does provide an access to fresh fruits and vegetables, but it becomes a little bit more than that because it kind of encompasses who you are and your family. It's good for us, and it's good for our environment, and I think everybody should be doing some of it.
If you'd like to participate, please fill out a membership form and give it to a staff member. There is no cost to join. It's free. Choose seed varieties you like. Please only take what you plan to grow during the current planting season. Don't know about seed saving? Don't worry. The library provides education about gardening and seed saving through its resources and scheduled programs.